So let's check out the models that Centex is building right here in my hometown of Parrish, Florida at Oakfield Lakes. Part of their series, their heritage series, on the 52-foot wide lots. So I always like to take you on a little drive of the community here in Indigo waters, give you an idea of what the lots look like. And of course, some of these lots, they haven't been platted yet. They haven't had any of the stakes put in. But again, look at these great street lights. You're going to love those when you're walking around early in the morning or late at night. But there's some great lots here available. Some of them you'll see do have some trees in the back. I always like to show you what's here because you know, there are people that look for lots with this kind of view, you know, preserve view trees, which I know I would like that. I don't want to see another house behind me, but sometimes that's inevitable. And other times people want to have their home situated on a lot we call a waterfront lot. They should call it a water back lot, but anyway, so I wanted to give you kind of a feel of what these lots look like. Here's another street where they're actually building now. So here on the right side, some of these they're building. Some people have already bought them. Some of them are still available. They have a really great incentive plan going on right now. So if it's something you're interested in, definitely hit me up and I can share with you what the current inventory is. But on the right, you see those actually had some trees behind them. How nice is that? And then when we come on here, we turned around, we're going the opposite way. We can still see some more houses here. So there's some one-story and some two-story homes here available. And of course, this is called the Hanover. Funny enough, I grew up in Hanover County in Virginia. Yep, TMI, right? What do you care? Anyway, 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,850 square feet. Let's get in there and see what this is going to look like over in their Indigo Waters section. and there are 5 floor plans in the Heritage Series. Maybe they're going to fit your needs and your wants. Make sure to reach out to me. I'd love to chat with you about your journey and see what's bringing you to these areas. Love to show you around here. I'm Catherine Newman. Thanks for subscribing to this channel. I'll see you next time.